Today we're going to be doing some baby back pork ribs and sweet potato. In order to get started, you'll need the following things: a large Tupperware, Heinz smoky barbecue sauce, watery soy sauce, oyster and mushroom sauce, white vinegar, and of course your baby back pork ribs. To create your marinade, first add mostly vinegar, followed by soy sauce. Then add your smoky barbecue, and to finish off, add your oyster and mushroom sauce. Be sure to stir it vigorously. To make sure you are satisfied with your marinade, be sure to taste it before you place your meat within it. I marinated my meat for about 6 hours. Now we need to prepare the oven. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees, fan forced. I decided to cook some sweet potato with my ribs. All you do is cut it in half and wrap it in aluminium foil and place it beside your ribs. I pour an extra bit of marinade into the aluminium foil with my ribs to make sure that it doesn't dry out. Once all your meat and your sweet potato is prepared, place your ribs and sweet potato into the oven for 2 hours and allow it to slow cook. Your ribs have slow cooked for 2 hours. Now it's time to caramelize the meat. In order to do this, you need to remove the ribs from the oven. Then remove the aluminium foil. Finally, you turn over your ribs, exposing the meaty, fatty portion of the ribs up. Place them back in the oven for 20 minutes while increasing the temperature by 30 degrees. Now your ribs have caramelized. It's time to remove all the aluminium foil and enjoy.